Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your prerequisites: Bertom Denoiser v2, 1+, Python 3, 9+, and the model files downloaded. Next, place a clean test audio file in your working folder and open a terminal. Run the minimal startup command to init the model and load weights. This verifies dependencies quickly. Once done, set your device flag to GPU if available, otherwise tune threads to avoid blocking. Make sure to note input sample rate and channel layout before proceeding to processing. Now you configure core parameters. Choose denoise strength based on noise floor and set the FFT window and overlap to balance latency versus quality. You then point Bertom to your input directory and an output directory so it processes many files reliably. Start a test batch with conservative settings, inspect the verbose logs, and adjust gain compensation to avoid clipping. Once you see stable results, scale up batch size, and, if using GPU, monitor memory to prevent OOM errors while maintaining quality. Finish by normalizing outputs and performing an /b listen to confirm clarity and naturalness. Export your final parameter set into a config file so you can reproduce the same pipeline later. If you plan to integrate into an application, wrap the CLI call in a lightweight script that handles file naming and metadata. If you encounter ringing or musical artifacts, reduce denoise strength, increase FFT window size, or enable high-quality overlap. Those changes usually fix artifacts without losing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.